Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have their entire life together while you're drowning in chaos? What if I told you their secret isn't about being naturally organized? It's about knowing 3 mind-blowing hacks that nobody talks about. Hey there, organization rebels. Today I'm exposing the truth about staying organized. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your space the same way again. But first, let me show you something crazy. The 15-minute time capsule. Here's what they don't tell you. 80% of the items cluttering your space right now, you won't need them in the next 24 hours. But here's the game changer. I'll show you how to create a system that practically organizes itself. And wait until you see hack number 3. It literally changed my entire morning routine. Take any messy area, could be your desk, kitchen counter, anywhere, and set a 15-minute timer. But here's the twist. Instead of organizing by category, you're gonna use my future you method. Warning, this method is addictive. Hack number 2, the invisible zones technique. You've probably heard about zones before, but what if I told you you're doing them completely wrong? Here's what the productivity gurus won't tell you. Remember that crazy morning routine I mentioned? We're getting closer. Create power zones, everyday items. Ghost zones, occasional use. And my secret weapon, flex zones, but nothing, and I mean nothing, compares to what I'm about to show you next. Hack number 3. This is what changed everything for me. And it takes just 180 seconds every morning. The secret is in the sequence. You'll need a timer, 3 sticky notes, and 1 unexpected household item that will blow your mind. Can you imagine waking up to a space that literally energizes you? That's not just organized, but actually works for you. If this helped you, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Drop us in the comments if you're ready to transform your space.